The global water crisis demands revolutionary solutions, solutions that also combat climate change. At PiKARE, we have developed Aweg, atmospheric water and energy generator. Aweg extracts clean water directly from the air, providing a sustainable solution for communities, industries, and governments struggling with water scarcity and energy scarcity. Aweg isn't just about water production. It generates its own renewable energy using integrated solar panels and thermal storage units. This off-grid capability, along with its exceptionally low energy consumption, significantly advances net zero goals. Imagine the impact. A single scaled-up Aweg unit can offset up to 18,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually. Developing Aweg isn't easy. Our 15 years of R&D focused on overcoming key challenges, optimizing the whole system, developing breakthrough desiccant materials, and ensuring seamless energy generation. Now, Aweg is ready for the world. Our roadmap is ambitious. Pilot projects across all continents within the next 2 years, reaching over 2 million people with clean water by 2030 and driving a future of water abundance, energy independence, and true sustainability.
Now I will introduce you to the revolutionary innovative products of ours. The name of the product is Aweg system. Why do I call it revolutionary product? Because it uses only sunlight as energy. However, it uses only atmospheric air as a raw material. So what does it give us? This system gives us up to 20,000 tons of clean drinking water per day, and this drinking water has the highest oxygen content you can find on the planet. The system gives us up to 100 megawatts of electrical energy per hour and can meet the heating, cooling, ventilation, dehumidification, and hot water needs of thousands of square meters. I'm going to show you how it does these three effects on the block diagram. When we will move to our block diagram, our system has two starting points. First, when we pass the air in the atmosphere over the inorganic chemical we call the media, this media melts and turns the moisture in the air into water. In this way, we send the solution to obtain the evaporation container thanks to the 350 Celsius degrees high temperature and heat energy we apply to the evaporation vessel. We evaporate the water and recover our inorganic mineral with mechatronic method, send it back to the cycle. We send the steam to the steam turbine and obtain electricity. We use some of electricity we obtain for the operation of our system while we serve the other parts of domestic or industrial applications. We send the steam that comes out of electricity production to the condenser container. The highly oxygenated water we obtain the condenser vessel passes through a mineral reinforced filter group in order to be converted into drinking water, and we obtain water with the properties we want. When we come to the heat source side of this system, we obtain directly from the parabolic solar collectors. We use the energy we obtain for heating the thermal fluid at about 270 Celsius degree to 350 Celsius degree. First of all, we fill the heat storage tanks. Then after the heat storage tanks are filled, we give the energy to the system and provide evaporation. After the evaporation process is over, the heat transfer fluid drops to a temperature value of around 100 Celsius degrees. Absorption of the heat transfer fluid at this value, we use it as a heat source in the chiller. The absorption with the heating and cooling effect we get from the chiller, we heat and cool our buildings and even obtain domestic hot water. Now, if we go back to our system, this is the inorganic mineral we are talking about. When we pass air over it, we already get the water. Here we get the mixture with the mineral reservoir, and the air coming from above. By the way, this device is not just a prototype. It's a system that produces 100 liters of water per day. We send it from the solution container you see below the evaporation container by means of a special pump. After the evaporation vessel, we send it to our steam turbine. We turn the steam coming out of the steam turbine in the water in the condensation tank, then pass it through the filter and collect it the clean water tank. I'm currently running the system water supply, and as you can see, the water we obtain is highly qualified drinking water. You can also enjoy this. I would like to emphasize one more feature of the system. The system uses only solar energy. Other than that, zero energy is used. It has zero waste and zero carbon footprints. It produces us water, electricity, heating, cooling, and dehumidification.